Hey y'all, today we're going to be doing my makeup steps in ABC order. I wrote a little list here because there was no way I was going to get them right at the top of my head, but I am. Let's just get to it. I am wearing headphones because my AirPods are dead, and I am an iPad child and cannot do one thing at a time and have to physically have something else going on. So I'm currently watching 911 while we do this. Now, I didn't plan this until I sat down and put primer on, so we're skipping primer because it's already on my face. So, sorry about that. First up, we have blush. This is the ColourPop IKTR blush. I'm obsessed with this. It is so pretty. And now I know I'm going to be putting foundation and stuff over it, so I think I'm going to go heavy on the blush, which is very easy to do with this. So I might be going a little too heavy, but I think we'll live. Because this blush, in general, I put it on usually after a foundation, and it's usually a lot. A little goes a long way. So I'm hoping that we can blend it a lot better with the foundation. Also, it's currently 1 in the morning and my dog is just kind of walking around doing random shit. So if you hear anything, that would be my dog just kind of hanging out, having a good time. I went a little bit up too much, but we're just gonna go with it because I'm hoping I can cover it all up. Now we have the brows. Brows, I am so bad at brows. So first up, I'm going to use this e.l.f. Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. I use both sides of this for brows. Genuinely, the side that says brows I do before I put brow stuff on, and the side that says lashes is tinted because I put it on after I do my brows. So I'm gonna go in with this. I literally have no idea what it is. It has a piece of tape on it because I have two, and one's really good and one sucks a little bit. So that's why there's tape on it. I have no idea what it is, but it has these individual little hairs on it. Next up, we have concealer. A lot of these products are probably gonna be Chic Glam because I've got so much Chic Glam stuff like 2 weeks ago and I've just been having a blast. So this is the Chic Glam Bright and Eye Cooling Concealer in the shade Linen. And I'm gonna just use my brush for this. I love the shade of this concealer because it's pretty much a white, but it's so nice whenever I have a foundation on with it. I definitely put way too much on, but it's okay. Okay, I always use a brush and then go back in with a blender. This is the blender we're using today because the other ones all need cleaned, genuinely. So this is a one blender makeup look, but I don't see it making that much of a difference. I'm gonna bring it onto my eyes as well because I am gonna be doing an eyeshadow. So whatever's left is kind of just getting thrown on there. Oh, we have contour. I've been learning how to do contour, and since we're at a step where I don't have a powder on, I'm just gonna do a liquid contour. This is the Chic Glam Sun Sculpt Liquid Contour in the shade Soft Tan. I'm gonna try to do my best. We don't know how well this is gonna go. Okay, next up we have eyeliner, which I'm so excited to have eyeliner next. I'm gonna go in with my favorite absolute thing in the entire world, my Expert Liquid Eyeliner from e.l.f. I am obsessed with this eyeliner. I've been using it since I started doing makeup videos back in like 2016. Is that how long it's been? It might have been. But yeah, we're just gonna do a wing. Go for it. Look how bad that is. Okay, hold on. We gotta fix that. I really did cover up a lot of the blush though. I don't know if that's good or bad. It all over my nose though. I have to do eyeliner and then eyeshadow. Okay, we're just gonna go for it. Ooh, look at that. Also, I didn't do like eyebrows, I just did brows. And I didn't do eyelashes, I just did lashes because I wanted to actually have more steps spaced out rather than all of them in the ease. So that would be why I do that. And I also just, I call it brows and call it lashes on my own, so that's why I did that. I'm really struggling here. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I'm having such a difficult time. The brush is not like dragging very nicely. I don't know if maybe that's because there's no powder. I just have sticky concealer on right now. I feel like it's one of those videos where you're like, just give me the tweezers. Alright, I'm gonna do the other one off because it literally took way too long to do that. Alright, y'all, eyeliner's done. It's not even, but we're going with it. I think for eyeshadow, we're gonna do a halo eye because I don't do this very often, but I really want to use some of these colors in here. I'm really thinking green because currently it's my favorite. But this palette is so pretty. I just got it in my Ipsy and I have literally not even touched it yet to swatch anything. So we're just gonna go for it. I'm gonna use this one. If you know, you know. And for glitter, I think we're gonna use Girl Math, which is this green. So let's go for it. I tried to find a fun look to do, but everything was like some type of eyeliner drawing over top of the shadow that I wanted to do, and that's not in the steps. So we're just gonna go for it and hope for the best. My main thing is I have a feeling it's gonna cover the colors of my eyeshadow. And also I am going to be using concealer in the center of my eye to get the halo eye to work properly. I just didn't want to do only one color. So honestly, for this not having a powder, it is blending pretty well. Because usually when I don't have a powder on over a concealer on my eye, it doesn't blend at all. It just kind of packs it on there, which is really good for pigmenting the colors, which is why whenever I cut a crease with the concealer, I don't powder that because then the glitter pigment is so much brighter. Next up is foundation, so I'm gonna have to put a color underneath here, either now or never. Okay, we're gonna blend that out, and I'm literally just gonna use my finger and go into this green. I'm not loving it, but we'll see if I can fix it. But once it's put on my eye, it's like, it's getting a little better. You just have to do more than you think. And I'm gonna go back in with the brown. I just used way too much. I literally just used so much. That was so much. Oof. I'm gonna try to blend that out a little bit. All right, I'm gonna go back in with the brown. Ooh. Underneath the eye. Next up is foundation. I'm gonna use my foundation stick from She Glam in the shade Buttercream. I love this foundation. It is so nice. And I'm not even just saying this, like the She Glam sent me so much stuff. If you're gonna buy something from them, this foundation, so nice. Okay, we gotta take these out because I'm gonna get them all covered and stuff. I always forget how hard it is to do foundation around eyeshadow, even though I literally do it all the time, and every time I question why. I think I should start doing like my forehead foundation after I do my brows before I do eyeshadow. I feel like it'd be a little bit easier. All right. next up is highlighter. I do not have a liquid highlighter. I think I threw it away the other day because I went through all of my old makeup and like checked all the dates and stuff. So much of it was expired because I hoard it. And then now I don't have a liquid highlighter anymore. All right, I might be crazy for this, but I'm gonna try it. This is a body glitter that has stuff in it, but I'm thinking, I used it the other day, if I can just tap the edge of it and just get the pure glitter part of it. Might be able to blend it in. Give myself a little bit of a highlighter type of thing, because there's big chunks in this if I squeeze it out at all. But if I just kind of pretend, I might be able to be. Okay, I can't believe that worked. I'm very shocked. I am gonna go in with this because I don't think I need it for anything else. No, so we're gonna blend it in. It's there, you can't really see it, but whatever. Next up is lashes. Okay, I haven't used these lashes yet. They're from Miss Miko Lashes. They sent me like 3 lashes and they're so good. The other 2 I've been using a lot. Somehow I haven't used these ones yet. Look how cute. So we're gonna use those. I need to trim them. If you do lashes with tools and like you use this, I highly recommend this one instead. It is so much easier to grip on and get to lay, where this one's more so like middle. This one you can actually get in on the ends a little bit better. And I literally have 2 of them, and sometimes I'm like, so definitely recommend that. Oh, the dog's awake. Trim off the excess part. So I use the Kiss Strip Lash Glue in clear. Look at my eyebrows, they're like gone too. I hate that I'm putting a lash on before mascara. Next up, we have lips. Yet another She Glam product. But I got this the other day. It is the Soft Haze Lip Blur. This one is in the shade Think Twice. I love these. They're so nice. They're almost like a tint because you just don't feel anything on your lips. It's so nice. Now, color-wise with the eye look, I don't know how it's gonna go, but how did I need to stop talking while I'm doing it. Next up, we have mascara, which I hate that I'm using mascara now. I probably should have did this with old lashes, not new ones, because now they're gonna have mascara on them and you don't want that. I'll have to clean them. And then, oh, this was the Identify black mascara from Half Caked. And then this one is Lancome Lash Idol in black. I like using bristles that go like this for the bottom ones because it's so much easier. I need to get some new mascaras so badly. They're getting to their end of the cycle when they're very dry. They're not completely dry, but they're getting there. Now we can put some powder on my face. My blush is pretty gone. I think it's okay, but like it's rough. It always does that no matter what I wear. My nose is just like my worst enemy. And I wish I could like put no powder in these spots that feel really dry all the time, but then like it definitely doesn't stay, so it's difficult. Now setting spray. The final treat setting spray. But honestly, for how I had to do this in order, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. What I am gonna do is brush my eyebrows and see if any foundation comes out. Because I do that anyway usually, so it's not like it's a crazy thing for me to do. But like, look at that. Like the eyeliner, and I didn't do eyeliner underneath my waterline or my tight line. Concealer sat for too long without a powder. This side doesn't look as bad, but like over here we have some little wrinkles. You can't even tell that I put a blush or contour on, but you can see the blush right there. Maybe that's for the best. I think eye-wise, it's not bad. The eyeshadows are pretty, but I just don't think I picked the right colors to go together. I think the green is really pretty and so is the brown, but I feel like they were not meant to be together really. But yeah, that was me doing my makeup in ABC order. If y'all like videos like this where I'm sitting down and talking and actually doing stuff, let me know, because they are fun to film every once in a while and I could do them way more often. Like, I want to try to do a Color Me Monday at some point, just because I'm obsessed with Brand and I want to try it just to see. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. Let me know if I should try this again or if I should do a different type of makeup challenge. Bye.